Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sila Quachera. Today, we'll show you what's inside the Ritter Sport Chocolate Shop here in Berlin. This is located in Friedrichstraße Street. You can take a subway or train from the Berlin Central train station and hope you don't mind walking about 12 minutes. When you see Figuya Anime Shop, Ritter Sport is just around the corner. Ritter Sport is one of the most popular brands of chocolate in Germany, having offered the same iconic square packages of chocolate since 1912. Credit to the founder, Clara and Alfred Eugen Ritter. Join us as we experience the world of Ritter Sport in the colorful chocolate world in the middle of Berlin. As a friendly gesture from them, they offer free taste of their different flavors of chocolate. Take one! Oh shit. It needs pressure. Oh my goodness. Ah, that way. Ah, okay. That's it. Okay. Wait.
Yeah, but we have to connect it with next day, I think.
Ay, wala na. Hindi na tayo makakabalik.
I think so. Can you read?
Kami.
Kasi ito, design mo ito. Kung ano
Ah, yung...
kasi pwede mo sa cashews, cocoa cookies, pretzel, hazelnut.
mixture.
Yung mix mo.
Filling. to collect the personalized chocolate downstairs. Tower of chocolates.
Ano yan?
14 euro.
3 euro lang oh. What's over there? What's over there? Chocolate ka rin. Kaya yan. Let's check. Oh, we can get a photo.
They have packs, be. Hi, sorry.
No problem.
They have plastic packs there. We have 1 hour of waiting, so we've decided to have a wistful and relaxing rest till we get our personalized chocolate. And picture!
Really? Let's look after the photo.
It's a sticker picture and our chocolate.
So,
Wait, ayusin mo. Yay! Finally! Personalized. Thank you, Ritter Sport, for the nice souvenir. And it's